On this week's episode of What Is She Wearing, I give my unsolicited critique of styling flops from online shops. Gorgeous pieces, gorgeous models, bad styling. It's a little bit of a roast, but I tell you how to fix it. Now let's get into it.
This week, I was searching for stripes. Outfit number 1 is a complete fail. First off, the entire look is styled with structured cotton poplin pieces. When you style a structured outfit, you need some element that adds fluidity back into the look. Otherwise, it looks too stuffy. She would have done a lot better just wearing the matching set without that white button down. The next thing that's an issue, length of the pants with these super tall heels. Horizontal stripes widen and they also cut you off. Not only do they look too short paired with a high heel, but her legs look even more cut off and a little stocky. This would do a lot better styled with a flat shoe or styled with a barely there minimalist heel in a neutral color that doesn't draw your eyes down to the shoes. All I'm seeing when I look at this outfit is the white shirt and the black shoes, and I'm completely missing the cute matching set. That's what really should be on display. This next outfit, the shoes are not taking away from the outfit, nor are they overemphasizing the pants are short. I'm getting disco vibes. The wavy design in the fabric adds back the fluidity that's needed to this structured cotton outfit. This is a win. Next outfit, modern, however styled together, so dated and frumpy. Her proportions look super weird. The rule of thirds is being ignored. She would look better with a high-waisted pant. And to fix this shirt, untuck it. You could still wear the belt for that unexpected touch. When you're styling with Mary Janes, you need to wear pants that stay clear of the ankle strap or that completely cover most of the shoe so you see neither. The fix to this, shorten the barrel leg jeans to her ankle or switch the shoes out for a regular ballet flat. The next look. The styling is beautiful. The proportions are correct. However, the more I looked at this, it was just really bothering me. The model's undertones do not match the coloring of this outfit. If you look at the model's hair, she has a salt and pepper silver coming through her skin, eyes, lips. She has cool undertones, which means that she looks best with cool colors. The only color that is flattering is that white undershirt. The rest of the outfit, it's all very, very warm and it's completely clashing against her gorgeous undertone. You can have a beautifully paired together outfit, but if your coloring is completely off, it's going to make you look sick and washed out. So again, this misses the mark for me. But we're ending with a high note. Pajama vibes for 2025 done right. Oh my gosh, the length of the pants is perfect. We don't want to look like we rolled out of bed, so we need to style with some elevated pieces. This pointy toe silver heel, they just peek out for a hint of surprise, but it doesn't take away from this gorgeous striped outfit. I usually hate mixing stripes. Let me just say, I would have added these pieces to my cart had they not been almost $2,000. White clutch, silver hardware, so effortlessly chic. Easily recreate this look with more affordable pieces. That's it for this week. All items are available through my link in bio, and don't forget to check out whatisshewearing.com for all things style.